Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azril Firdaus bin Azmi from J4EM1104N Group 1. Today I will talk about experiment F3. The title is Impact of the Jet, and for the objective. First objective is to measure the reaction force produced by the impact of a jet of water onto various target vane surface. The second objective is to investigate and determine the force required to keep a target at a datum level while it is subjected to the impact of a water jet. Number Number three is to compare and analyze the experimental result with the theoretically and calculated value. For the apparatus, the first one is a pointer. The second one is a spring tension adjuster. The number three is a wing nut. Number four is a interchangeable target here, and then the number five is a brake weight. Number six is a weight carrier. Number seven is a weight platform. Number eight is a spring. Number nine is a screw nut. Number 10 is a interchangeable nozzle. For the procedure, first open the wake platform by unscrewing the screw nut and screwing the wing nut. Number second, attach the 5 mm nozzle into the bottom vertical shaft and hemisphere target vane into top vertical shaft. Number 3. Close the wake platform by unscrewing wing nut and screwing the screw nut here and here. For the position, for the number 4, position the wake carrier on the wake platform. For the number 5, adjust the spring tension adjuster to ensure the distance of 20 mm between the nozzle and the target vane by first pressing the spring until the target vane touch the nozzle. Number 6, move the pointer so that it is aligned to the wake platform. Number 7, release the spring and adjust the spring tension adjuster to ensure the distance between the wake platform and the pointer is 20 mm, and then record this value as H. Number 8, then move the pointer so that it is aligned to the wake platform that is floating in mid position. Number 9, turn on the pump and establish the water flow by steadily opening the bench control valve until it is fully open. Number 10, the target vane will now be deflected by the impact of the jet. Add weight into the weight carrier until the weight platform is floating in mid position. Number 11, measure and record the flow rate together with the corresponding value of weight on the weight carrier. Observe the form of the deflected jet and note its shape. Number 12, reduce the weight on the weight carrier in step and maintain balance of weight platform by regulating the flow rate for a few steps, each time recording the value of flow rate and weight on the weight carrier. Number 13, close the control valve and switch off the pump. Number 14, repeat the experiment with the different target vanes and nozzle. Number 15, to change the target vanes and nozzle, open the weight platform by unscrewing the screw nut and screwing the wing nut. After the target vanes and nozzle are changed, close the weight platform by unscrewing the wing nut and screwing the screw nut. Okay, next for the table. time T1, T2, T3. Average time nozzle velocity is Okay, so for the graph, first insert, scatter, select data. For the y value, it will be experimental force. For the x value will be theoretical force. Okay, okay. This is the graph for the first experiment. For the calculation, I use the flow rate Q equals to m over t equal the same as v over t, and then the for the VA I use VA equals to Q over A, and then for the theoretical force I use F over mg, and for the experimental force I use F equals to rho QV times to 1 minus cos theta, and then for the error I use experimental value minus theory value and divide by theory value and times with 100. Okay, for the conclusion, the objective are proved. The force produced is bigger than the theoretical force. This is because the water jet target directly the solid surface 90 degree. Okay, for the experiment I can remind myself to use the right equation to search the data, and also can use the graph efficiently. And for the application for this experiment is a Pelton wheel. This is the picture of the Pelton wheel. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.